called Bugingo Hakim, and I am the head of digital banking. Every institution comes with their own model or normal operations which target a certain group of customers or even how customers want services. So we usually also had transfers going to banks, local banks, mobile money, Airtel and so on and so forth. So what really eKash helped us when we were onboarded or when we joined eKash as a service or a platform, we're able to reach certain customers that were not able to reach at the start or when eKash was not there. For instance, right now, if you're a Bank of Africa customer, you can simply send money to Airtel Money customers, which doesn't necessarily require you to be, for us as a company, to be integrated with Airtel Money. And again, at the start or before eKash, we had to do bilateral agreements with all these different institutions. So right now with eKash, you can be able to send money to microfinances, which we used not to do. That's one of the other advantages that eKash brought on. And then also the fast payments. So it's fast, quick, and we all know it is secure. And it's also a Rwandan product. Yeah, I mean, one of the key parameters or key objective of eKash was to reduce the prices, make them affordable. And then every user can feel, whether I have a lot of money or I don't have, it becomes quite easy to use. And given that our population is price sensitive, eKash addressed that. I mean, the process, I would say, because the technology is good. One, integration is always easy when the technology is good, and the API is being used at the time, and I can testify even there is more improvements that are ongoing since this is always being improved. So technically, the integration was seamless, or it is easy to implement. Then operation-wise, I mean, there have been steps taken to make sure that there are checks and balances at all levels. And in the event there are disputes, there are certainly platforms or a channel or portals to use to be able to claim or clear any dispute that may arise. When it comes to settlement, everyone wants their money as soon as possible. So I think with eKash, we are doing T+1 because, I mean, everyone wants to check and cross-check if their money is in the right pool. So the settlement is good. So it's a T+1, it's nice. And then the other thing to do with the outreach, I mean, right now, if someone has an account in a microfinance or somewhere deep down there, they wanted to receive money from a customer who is our existing customer in Bank of Africa, then there's no problem. And then, of course, with the outreach of mobile money and all these MNOs, irrespective whether you are in a remote area, whether you are deep down there, where we cannot easily access you via even motor vehicles, you can receive money. New services, because again, eKash, the first option they brought was payments, which is purely P2P. And then the second thing that we are in line with in terms of eKash is the merchant payments that you're referring to. I mean, bill payments are going to be much easier, fast, and then we expect the merchants to be easy to deal with because a customer can initiate the transaction or the merchant can simply initiate it. So we expect bill payments and merchant payments to be seamless, irrespective of who owns that merchant. So it's going to be nice. Like I said at the beginning, eKash is purely a Rwandan product. So for us as a bank, it's an advantage since it's a purely Rwandan solution. So we expect it to blend easily with customers that we're talking to. And then again, when it comes to the advantages that it will bring on board for us, it's like an association. So we are more associated. We are more, or the customers can feel more close to us as a result of eKash. eKash is touching one of the key pain points for any institution, which, I mean, these are use cases or areas that every entity wants. But of course, they're always a case of which should begin before the other. So in 5 years' time, so we expect a lot. There is more value. And we expect to get more use cases that can help touch different sectors of the economy. And with the different sectors come with new customers. So we should be able also to get more customers courtesy of eKash, because at the end of the day, if the issue is no longer the bank that I work with or where I'm sending the money or receiving the money from, so it means even more customers for us. Bank of Africa, regionally, we are almost in every country that is close to us. So we are in Tanzania, we are in Kenya, we are in Burundi. So we're in Uganda. All these are countries that we trade with easily, which means with eKash, if I am a merchant who is sitting in Rwanda and I want to pay a supplier within Tanzania or Kenya, then it will be much faster and instant. And that is always the challenge with cross-border. I need my payment fast and instant, then you will also get your product. So with eKash, cross-border payments, that should be the ultimate goal. Because when your merchants or your suppliers are happy, everyone in the economy is happy, the prices are low. So that means you can make more transactions. We are in an ever-evolving world, given that we are online, which means risks are always more cyber-related. So, and I can certainly say that we as a bank have made the necessary investments to make sure that the platforms are secure for our customers. And of course, since we are integrating or we have this partnership with eKash and our switch, we don't just partner and integrate. There are always standards of security that have to be abided by, whether they're international standards, whether they are even cyber-related standards in terms of security-wise. So we expect, of course, there are going to always be attacks or attempts, but we are certain and sure that they are going to be dealt with, since we have a robust security infrastructure at either side, whether it is our switch or even Bank of Africa, Rwanda.